Are you tired of competing on price? Tired of bad clients who nickel and dime you? Tired of working harder and harder just to make the same money? What if I told you there's a way to attract clients who pay double, sometimes triple what you're charging right now? Sound too good to be true? Here's what I know after 25 years in this industry. Most cleaning business owners are stuck in a race to the bottom. They think the only way to get clients is to be the cheapest option. So they're out there competing with every other cleaning business who's willing to work for nothing, and it's exhausting. On top of that, cheap clients are the worst clients. You always have to explain your pricing to them. They cancel last minute and they try to negotiate your rates, sometimes after the job is done. And I hate seeing good cleaning business owners trapped in this cycle, working their tails off for clients who don't value what they do, all because they think that's just how the cleaning industry works. But here's what most cleaning business owners don't realize. The clients who pay the most aren't shopping on price. They're shopping on value. And when you position yourself correctly, these clients will appreciate you. They'll pay your rates without negotiating, and they'll refer their friends and family without you even asking. So today, I'm going to walk you through 4 critical steps I teach my coaching students to help them attract premium clients. And these aren't theories, these are strategies that have helped our students go from charging $30 an hour to charging $75 or even $100 an hour. And if after watching you want to learn how to get even more of my personal help, then I'll tell you how to book a free call to learn more about my coaching program. Then, like Shauna here, you'll be landing big contracts just like this. So let's dive in. Here are the 4 steps to attracting higher paying clients without chasing them. Step number 1, stop being a cleaner and start being a problem solver. Most cleaning business owners think they're in the cleaning business, but premium clients aren't hiring you to clean. They're hiring you to solve a problem. That busy family is paying you to give them their weekends back and reduce their stress. The elderly couple is paying you for peace of mind and independence. That business is paying you to keep their staff's working environment healthy. And when you understand this, everything changes. Your marketing changes, your pricing changes, and most importantly, your confidence changes. Because you're not just offering cleaning services, you're offering time, peace of mind, and a better quality of life. And that's worth a lot more than $25 or $30 an hour. Step number 2, position yourself as the premium choice. Here's what I've learned after 25 years in my cleaning business and after coaching countless students. Premium clients don't trust cheap service providers. They know that good work costs good money. So when you position yourself as the budget option, you're telling premium clients that your work isn't that great or valuable. But when you position yourself as the premium choice, everything shifts. And to sell yourself as a premium option, ensure your communication is prompt and polished. Don't compete on price, and don't apologize for your prices either. Instead, prove your value, your reliability, and your results. Simply put, you look, act, and communicate like the premium choice, because that's exactly what you are. Like our coaching student Gregory, who booked a residential clean at $550, which is about double what most cleaning businesses would charge. Step number 3, targeted marketing. This one is where most cleaning business owners go wrong, but you need to understand that premium clients look for premium providers in specific places. And quite often, they're not even looking at all, but instead just waiting for someone to find them. Meaning that just going directly to them is the best and fastest method, instead of waiting for them to find you. And here's an example. If you want to attract luxury homeowners, but you're only advertising on Craigslist and on bargain hunting Facebook groups, you're going to struggle to find them. Or in commercial, if you want larger buildings and government offices, posting on Instagram will do very little for you. So pick your ideal client and shape your marketing efforts around attracting them. And only them. Because building a profitable cleaning business starts with understanding that you don't need everyone in your market to hire you. You just need the right people in your market to hire you. Step number 4, clearly communicate your value. Premium clients expect premium experiences. And that starts before your business even shows up to clean. But don't let that stress you out. It's pretty simple. Make sure your bidding process is smooth and professional. Make sure your scheduling workflow is reliable. Make sure your communication is clear and consistent. And you might wonder, how do these things communicate value? Simple. The easier you are to work with, the more time clients save. And what is the most valuable resource to premium clients? It's not their money, it's their time. They value that more than anything else. Then, when you arrive to do the job, you should look the part. Clean appearance, professional supplies, and an organized cleaning approach. And always aim to exceed expectations, not just in the work you do, but also in how you do it. So after the cleaning, you should follow up. Check in and make sure they're satisfied. Ask for feedback. Thank them for their business. Then book their next cleaning. These little touches don't cost extra money, but they communicate value, and they communicate that you're worth premium prices. And remember, premium clients are willing to pay more for consistency and reliability. They don't want to manage. They don't want to worry about you. They just want to trust you. And that's why communicating and providing your value is so important. Then, like our student Jackie says, once you build a good rapport with people, they're like free advertising. And these are the results you'll get when you stop competing on price, start competing on value, and when you clearly communicate that value. So here's what I want you to really understand. Higher paying clients aren't harder to find. They're just looking for different things, and they hang out in different places. They don't want the cheapest option. They want the best option. They want reliability, professionalism, and results. And when you position yourself correctly, when you market to the right people, and when you deliver premium experiences, these clients will find you. You won't have to chase them. You won't have to convince them. You won't have to apologize for your prices, because you'll be exactly what they're looking for. That you're not just cleaning spaces. You're creating peace of mind. You're solving problems, and you're giving people their time back. And that is incredibly valuable. And valuable services deserve premium prices. If you want my personal help positioning yourself as the premium choice and attracting the high-paying clients you deserve, then I invite you to learn more about my coaching program at the link below. There, you can book a free growth call with me or someone from my team, and we'll create a custom growth plan just for you. So if you're ready to stop chasing clients and start attracting them, then let's talk. And let's keep building what you want together.